Hi everyone, welcome to HelloNote EMR's tutorial of the day. Today we're exploring two new filter options on our announcement page. The first option allows us to select patients based on their status, and the second option enables us to perform a direct search for a specific patient. Let's dive right in to see how we can utilize these two new filters to customize our targets for announcements. The first step is to locate the Announcement tab on the left side navigation bar. It has a speaker icon next to it. When you click on it, you'll be taken directly to the announcement page. On the announcement page, we are first asked to choose the main targets for our announcements. This is indicated by the Send drop-down menu on the left. Once we choose Email to Patients, a new patient status filter appears. If we click on the filter, a drop-down menu with 5 options is displayed: active, inactive, pending insurance, student full-time, and home health. Let's demonstrate an example by clicking on inactive. We will see that the patient list is now reduced to 10 people, down from the original 200 patients. Let's try clicking on active. Now, our patient list shows 179 people with an active status, instead of the 10 inactive ones we saw before. We can also target a specific patient using the search bar. For example, I type demo first name and click the search button. When the results come back, only one patient with a matching first name is shown, further isolating the target audience. In addition to emails, we can also apply the same filters to SMS for our patients. To see how it works, go back to the drop-down menu for Send and choose SMS to Patients. We have 162 patients with a phone number on their record. If we want to send an announcement to those with a pending insurance status, we will choose Pending Insurance from the Patient Status drop-down. The result shows only one patient, Pierre Demo, who matches this condition. Next, if we look for patients with a home health status, no matches are found. When we try again with the inactive status, for patients show up. Let's clear our filter for the search bar demonstration. If we want to match a name, we can type it into the input field, just like we did for Email to Patients. In this case, typing Demo will show that 10 patients match this name. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to check out our knowledge base for any questions or concerns. If you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.